What they then also say is that, okay, if we have that framework of digital competences, then how do we make our citizens more digital competent? How can we make sure that this is not just something that is far beyond the let's say the heads of European citizens? We need to think about how can we help the European citizen to grow into digital competency. And the metaphor they are using for that is how to learn to swim. So I apologize, it's a bit unclear here on the picture, but the main picture is that of someone who is learning to swim. What does that mean? It is something that okay, in the beginning, when you, I don't know if you still remember when you were learning to swim, you were sort of exercising the movements in a very safe environment, which was outside the swimming pool. Okay, so you are trying to understand what kind of movements you need to do with your arms, with your legs, and you do that outside the swimming pool, which means that you do that in a safe environment, similar to digital competency. The first step might be that you do it in a very constrained situation where there is no danger that you could fail. Yeah, but you are trying to do the necessary steps, the necessary movements, skills, tools, applications you want to use, and that you try it out in a very safe environment. And then you're going into the swimming pool, and there will be a trainer there. There will be you go into the less deeper part of the swimming pool, where you then also exercise the movements with a bit of guidance, still in a safe environment. It's a bit less safe than outside the swimming pool, of course, because you need to try to do the exercise in the water, of course, and that is what you then try to do. You further exercise the movements in the less deeper water with the help of a trainer. And that is also with digital competences what you could do. You could try it out in a very safe environment, but first steps with a little bit help of someone who is a bit more knowledgeable, who is guiding you in the water. Okay, and then once you feel comfortable with the help of the trainer and what is it called, the swimming band, then you go in a bit deeper water. You do it maybe on yourself, still knowing that the trainer is there somewhere behind, that you can always escape from the water because it's not that deep yet. So you're exercising and you're getting better and better. You are doing a bit more, you are challenging yourself a little bit, but you still know that there is someone that could help you to escape when you get into trouble. And gradually you're improving, you are exercising, you're getting better, you feel more comfortable, and you are exploring the swimming pool in the deeper waters. And finally, when you feel really comfortable, you go into the deepest part of the swimming pool. You're starting to dive into the swimming pool. You are not scared anymore from whatever problem that might be encountered. You even don't need a trainer. Well, maybe there is someone along the swimming pool that could rescue you in case you are getting in deep problems. But you manage to find your way and to really enjoy what you're doing in the swimming pool. Yeah, that is what is symbolized here when they say that becoming digital competent is a bit comparable to learning to swim from a very safe environment, sort of dry run of literally then of what you need to do, up to diving in the deepest, well, call it ocean of digital of the digital world. Okay, I see that you many of you like the metaphor, and yeah, I think that throwing someone in the deepest part of the water immediately, that's a guarantee to be drawn. So I don't want you to do that. Take the gradual steps and learn it step by step with very much help in the beginning if you feel unsure, if you feel uncertain, if you feel uncomfortable, and then gradually improve your skills and continue exercising, explore, and try to always know that there is someone that might rescue you when you get into troubles, but then really enjoy when you are feeling like a fish in the water, let's say. That's an expression in Dutch. I don't know how it sounds in English, but it is something like that metaphor that the European Commission wanted us to have in mind when we are growing in digital competences. Okay, I see smileys in the how to learn to swim is the most important and actual question. That's true indeed. But I think that the metaphor can speak for itself, and that we could also keep it in mind for ourselves, and remembering how we learned to swim, and try to transform that process into something that we could use in our journey as a digital competent professional academic, and also helping the students how to learn to swim. Because at that moment, as a teacher, don't forget, you will become the trainer. You will be the one that is helping the student to learn to swim. Yeah. So that is what we could, as a metaphor, keep in mind talking about growing in competences. Okay, I see that people are asking for the presentations. Yes, we will upload the presentations afterwards, so you will have them. Don't worry, and then you can redigest what we were talking about.